Like, I don't know. Aw, still not on the spoon. Not the
So,
bib.
what is going on, Mommy?
Not the bib.
Look at that face.
Open?
You gotta do an airplane.
Open? She's like, I don't know. Only a little bit on there. He's like, I don't know
Mom,
about this.
what's going on?
I don't know about this. There's like hardly any on the spoon. Try some more. Stripping. No! See, I don't think she wants it yet.
Well, we tried.
Alright, I want to try one more and just get like a picture of it, of her face afterwards, you know. I should have just cleaned it off. I should have. Try it?
Come on, Em. You want to put everything else in your mouth?
Aww. No? It's like, I don't know. Right? Oh, good girl. Maybe not.
That was a good picture there with her with the spoon.
Look at that face. So are you like it or not? I can't tell.
How much of it is she supposed to eat?
Just however much she will eat, really. You don't like it? Here. You are making a huge mess. Alright.
She's not really doing it.
I'm not really liking it.